What's going on, guys? Isam here. In this video, I want to talk to you about something really interesting. What I am offering you. And this is something that you need to know in order for you to know how to navigate through my entire setup and my entire product. What I got here is a system as a trading system, a complete trading system, but a lot of people actually don't understand how to use it. And this is why I'm creating this video to teach you how to use it. But you must stay until the end of this video because I will share with you something really interesting, something very, very important that you need to know in the end of this video. So basically, let's start with my profile. This is my profile on MQL5. And what I want you to pay attention here is what I want you to pay attention to here is few things. Let's start with the number of reviews. As you can see, guys, these numbers, I have like 4.6 on average from 706 reviews. And these numbers, MQL5 will not reward you with this kind of numbers unless if you have really good quality products and you are really active and you always are creating high quality and good quality support, and that's my goal here. I'm here to help as much as I can, and this is really important to to tell you guys because I am proud of what I'm doing and I'm here to help you all the time. That's why I answer questions and that's why I have this kind of reviews because because I put in a lot of work, I put in a lot of time, I put in a lot of interest in here, and this is why basically I'm having this kind of numbers, and this is very, very, very interesting, and I'm proud of this kind of things. The second thing here is this link here, which will take you to my official website. You can check the website on your free time and explore what I'm offering basically in different platform. But everything is basically on MQL5, and you can just stay here and explore everything and know everything and install everything and learn everything from MQL5. You don't need any other website. This is just besides a side point. Now, what I want you to pay attention to as well is these three links here. This is the number one link, this is the number two, and this is number three. So number one is my Telegram, where you can contact me anytime as well. You can contact me in MQL5 and I'll be happy to answer all questions. And if it's not possible that you could not reach out to me through MQL5, you can still use Telegram. That's something that I use all the time. And I have a channel on Telegram that you might want to like join because I share a lot of updates as well there. Now, the second link is the facts or the frequently asked questions where I have listed, and you have to know something, guys. I have been trader for a long time. I've been trading in the market for 12 years. So I have a lot of experience, and I was a trader before I started creating indicators and expert advisors. So I know exactly what kind of questions do you have and how to answer them, and that's why I have created this um, link here. It has all the answers to all your questions. All you have to do is click in there, read through, find your question, and you will find even a more detailed answer than I would give you in a chat. And that's something that you will want to do before you reach out to me, or reach out to me anytime. I'll be happy to guide you through where to find the answer or answer you in the same way. The last link, which is the third link, is the channel or the MQL5 channel. And this is something that you guys need to join because here is where I share all the knowledge, all the blogs that I write. Basically, I write blogs on a daily basis, and I also share charts, entries, updates. If there's an interesting update that I came up with, I would share it in the channel. So this is where you need to be, guys. This is very important. You need to click on this. First of all, you click on the link, go to my profile, and then you will find these links here. You click on the link here and join the MQL5 channel. So without further ado, guys, let's go into the products and start talking to you guys about the products and how to use the product page. And that's what I'm gonna do right now by clicking on the product page. The first thing that you're gonna notice is that there are a lot of products, right? So this might be confusing, but the first thing that you need to notice is that there are free products and there are paid products, right? So that's where you need to know how to use the platform. And I'll show you guys step by step how to use it. You see this button right here? If you click on it, what you're going to see is a filter. And using this filter, you can basically scroll through the free products or select or deselect the free products from the paid products. And this way you can have a much cleaner view of what I'm offering. Basically, the good qualities, the high qualities, the professional trade that professional traders use, or the pro setups, are the paid products that I have here. The free products are very high quality products, like this one is ranked now at this point of time, it's ranked the number one indicator in the market, and it's called the trend catcher. So that tells you that I still have a really very, very, very high quality products, even they are free. The Smart Trading Copilot here, you will be surprised if you use this utility. You will for sure thank me without even knowing that this exists, because this is a really very, very, very high quality product that is put out there for free. And that, as I said in the beginning, guys, my goal is to help you start trading, and to help you become a successful trader. And that's why I'm creating this whole thing, as I call it before, like a trading system or a trading setup, a complete trading system here. The second thing that you need to pay attention to is these buttons right here. Using these buttons, you can select from MT4 or MT5, and you can only see the products that you selected. For example, if you click on MT4, MT5, you will see only the MT5 or the MT4 as you choose. Here, you can also filter out the expert advisors or indicators in utilities. And utilities is basically an expert advisor that does not open trades, like the Smart Trading Copilot. It does not open trades, but automatically, I would say, but it opens trades manually by clicking buttons. So this is a utility, and the rest, I think you already know what's an indicator and an expert advisor. So if you click on indicators only, you will see indicators. And the other thing that you want to pay attention to is the products are repeated, and in a way that you're going to see that the smart money concept, for example, is repeated here and here. That's because it's MT4 and MT5. And if you select between those things, you will only see the platform that you are interested in. So I'll walk you through an example, and I'll talk to you guys about the products that I recommend in my recommendations, in the products that you really, really, really need to have in your MT4 or MT5 in order for you to start learning and becoming a better trader. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to use these filters that I explained now to go through the products that are the pro traders are using right now. And I will explain to you everything that goes into all those products right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the paid here, and I'm going to see only the paid products. And this is all I'm offering basically at this point of time. Now, to go one filter down, I'm going to click on MT4 and this select MT4, and I'm going to see only the MT5 indicators. So this is the meat in the potato that I'm offering to you guys here. And this is what I want you to pay very close attention to. And this is where I'm going to be talking to you about the trading setup that I'm offering. And what I'm offering basically is I have looked up and studied all the best strategies out there in the market, and I came up with a trading tool or an indicator or an expert advisor that solves like a huge problem, which is the technical analysis. Instead of you going and drawing inside of the MT5, what I did is I brought the technical analysis into the chart in. It helps you analyze the chart in much better, in an easier way. So, what are the strategies that I have here? I have a trend trading strategy. This indicator is based on the trend only, and it follows the trend. And trend following is a famous strategy in the world right now, and a lot of traders and pro traders actually use it. And this indicator is going to help you follow trends. So it's based on trend trading, and it will give you entries, and it will give you stop loss, and it will give you take profits, and everything inside of this. And also comes with a panel that shows you trend on the same trading pair. It comes with colors that helps you exit and enter easily. So it's packed with the 10 premium indicators in one, and it's based on trend, basically trend trading, right? The other indicators that I have here is the Atomic Analyst, and this is an indicator that is based on momentum and trend as well, but basically the momentum and the strength of the price. And the interesting thing about this indicator is actually it will give you entry, stop loss, and take profit, and it will give you those entry, stop loss, and take profit right to your phone, right to your MetaTrader. You don't actually need any technical analysis. Unlike the trend trading system here, unlike the trend trading system here that comes with an online, that comes with multi strategies, it has a lot of strategies here. It has like a whole setup of strategies, and comes with an online course that actually will teach you these strategies in details. But this one, what it has like a simple setup, but it's as complicated in the algorithm as it can, but it's simplified in a way that it will give you an entry, stop loss, and a take profit to your phone as a notification. And you can also see the charts inside of the MT5 and MT4. And this is something also that, well, basically, if you are not into technical analysis and you are not into like staying in front of, or you don't have time to stay in front of the computer, this will help you manage your trading just from your phone by getting those entries, stop loss, and take profit and open trades from your phone. The other strategy that I have here is smart support and resistance. This is a support and resistance strategy based on support and resistance lines, as you can see here, and also based on candlestick patterns inside of the indicator. It shows you the candlestick patterns, it shows you the support and resistance lines, it shows you also the trend on different time frames. It's a complete setup that, you guys know, it's a support and resistance strategy, and it's a very famous strategy as well. And that's something that I also came up with a whole trading setup based on this strategy. The other indicator here, you guessed it from the form, you guessed it from the shape, it's the smart money concept indicator. This is something that professional traders, a lot of professional traders that I talk to, and guys, I have more than 1,000 active traders that are trading in my community and that are using my products. And these people that are like using smart money concept, they love the smart money concept indicator because it comes with everything in details. Everything that they used to draw actually on the chart by hand is drawn automatically with precision using the smart money, smart money concept, and smart price action concept. It's very interesting, very easy to use. And this is something also that you need to explore if you are interested in smart money concept and you want to learn smart money concept. The other thing is the trend scanner. The trend scanner, or the MENA trend indicator, is an indicator that will give you entries, but not only that, will give you the kind of trend in what happening in terms of the trend on not only multi-time frame, not only like on a 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, but also on multiple pairs. It will show you euro dollar, gold, pound, all the pairs in all markets. It works on all markets from one chart. Imagine you attach this indicator or this scanner into one chart, and you will see everything, like all the charts, all the pairs, what's going on inside of all the pairs, not only on the pairs, on the time frames of those pairs, like what kind of trend, where the trend is going. This will help you so much into your trading and makes your trading a lot more easier. The other thing that I have here is an expert advisor. And this is not a normal expert advisor. What's special about this expert advisor is that it can be connected to any indicator in the world. So you can bring, for example, the atomic analyst and connect it to the smart universal expert advisor and create your own expert advisor, basically. So this is the idea of the smart universal expert advisor. Is it is an expert advisor that is automatic, and it comes with an indicator that's embedded inside of it already. But it comes also with the possibility of adding any kind of any kind of indicator, and turning that indicator into an expert advisor. Now, what you need to understand here, guys, that expert advisors are divided in two portions. The first portion is the indicator, and the second one is the expert advisor. So the indicator is the strategy that is actually giving the entries, the buy and sell entries. And the second portion here is the expert advisor. So that's the like the management of the trade, when to exit, how to exit, the conditions out around the exit with profit or exit with loss. So this is something that I have created, and I have put in a lot of thoughts and a lot of time and a lot of expert into this product right here to turn any indicator into an expert advisor. And the idea is to keep this smart universal expert advisor is something that you want to keep with you all the time. But going through different strategies, what you have to do is just change the indicator and try again, and change the indicator and try again until you find your best setup, instead of buying one expert advisor and you will get stuck with it, which is not an ideal thing, and you have to buy another expert advisor, etc., etc. And what I noticed that this part here, or this portion of the trade management, is shared between all the expert advisors. It's the same thing. So I have added all the possibilities into this, and all you have to change is the part where the indicator or the strategy comes. And in that way, you can create your own expert advisor, basically. So this is what I'm offering here in the like the premium. This is my premium products, my premium setup. And as you can see, guys, everything here is connected. It's trading strategies, the most famous trading strategies like the trend following, the support and resistance, the smart money concept, the multi-time frame panel. That's something that you need to have. Everything is interconnected. This one is, this indicator is the momentum indicator, and you will be surprised when you go through all these indicators in detail. You will find so much value. And now what I want to emphasize on at this point of time, if you are like, you guys are like either a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced traders, and these works for all kinds of traders. But my recommendation right now, if you are asking me for my recommendation, I will give you my recommendation in the products that you need to have. The number one products that you need to have, guys, is the trend trading system. Why? Because it comes with an online course, and if you are interested into like technical analysis and you want to learn technical analysis, this is something that you need to get. It comes with an online course. It comes with multiple strategies, and it's one of the most famous strategies in the world. It's the trend trading or trend following. So you will learn the technical analysis. You will learn how to use the indicator. You will learn multiple strategies, and you will be professional in technical analysis in a no time. This is something that you need to have pretty much. The other thing that you need to have, and I recommend, is the atomic analyst. So let's say, for example, you start learning the smart trading system, right? But at the same time, sometimes you don't have time. You don't have time to stay in front of the computer. Now you have the atomic analyst. You get entry, stop loss, and take profit from your phone, and you can use the MT5 or MT4 on the phone to open trades right there. You don't need any technical analysis. I highly recommend you guys to learn technical analysis and to learn trading in general, but this is something that will help you along the way, and this is something that I highly recommend as well. So the third thing that I recommend is this trend scanner, along with smart trading system, because these, from one chart you can see what's going on in the trend in different pairs in different time frames, and use the smart trend trading system to analyze technically the trend. And if, for example, the trend is high, is like the trend is going up, is a bullish on all time frames, then you go to the smart trend trading system and you start looking for a trade that reflects what happens in the scanner. These are the setups that I highly recommend. Now, if you want to go deeper into like some complex strategies like the SMC, the smart money concept, I highly recommend the smart money concept. If you want to, this is the next step. I highly recommend you guys to start with the trend trading system as a technical analysis, because it's much easier. But this smart money concept is a little bit tricky, and it's much more complicated than a lot of people think. And if you are at that level, you're an advanced trader. So I kind of recommend the smart money concept. It's very technical, very deep, and it gives you a lot of things. And it also comes with an online course that will teach you how to use it and teach you smart money concept in general. So this is also something that you need to uh, to look out for. So the other thing is this the expert advisor here. I highly recommend this expert advisor if you are starting with expert advisors and you want to learn how expert advisors actually work. I highly recommend the Smart Universal Expert Advisor, and you can actually connect it with the Atomic Analyst on the go and start, start creating like a high quality expert advisor just from your computer with your inputs in, with your setup, with your control. This is something that you will be surprised as well to know in general. The other thing is the smart support and resistance, and this is something that you also need to understand. This is a complete strategy that if you there are a lot of people that use smart support and resistance actually, and this is something that if you are doing support and resistance, this is something that you need to have actually in your computer. Without further ado, guys, there's two steps into this. There's two more steps into this video, and I will wrap it up. The other step is if you are completely a beginner. Let's say you are a completely beginner trader, you still don't know anything about trading. What I recommend is if you go to the free products, what I recommend here is I recommend the trend catcher. I want you to start with the trend catcher, and I want you to start with the smart trading copilot here. The trend catcher is going to give you entries, and it will show you where to enter. And but you have to use your computer, you have to use your phone. It's going to deliver notification to your phone. But if you want to use the smart trading copilot to enter trades, you are going to use your phone, your laptop, and basically with these two. This indicator and this utility, you can actually start trading at least a high level higher than what you could be thinking, because this is going to be a complete setup with a strategy and a means to open trades. And you start learning the smart trading copilot. This is really really high quality utility that's in the market for free, in which you need to take advantage of. And this one here also is the number one indicator in the market right now. And this is a high recommendation for people who are just starting out. Now, if you want something, if you want to explore more like expert advisors, you can start using this two expert advisors here. They are completely free. The Trend Catcher Expert Advisor, which is like the idea is I turn this trend catcher into an expert advisor that works uh based on the entries of this indicator, and it's free. And I have also the Momentum Hunter, which is an expert advisor as well that you can check out. uh if you are interested into trading session time, this is an indicator that will show you the trading sessions inside of the chart. And I have support and resistance indicator for free, and I have also supply and demand indicator for free. And this is a risk tool. This can be replaced with this one. I recommend this one better because it has a lot of features. So if you're just starting, I want you to explore the free indicators and start with the free indicators. And if you find that yourself um, you are basically getting into the thing and getting the hang of the whole thing, you can go to the professional products and start using my professional products. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is trading in general. And this is the like I told you, stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to give you something really interesting. This is what I wanted to talk to you about, guys. Let's imagine I'm going to talk to you about trading in general and why trading is really important and what are the things that you need to focus in trading in order for you to become a professional trader. And this is no fluff, this is no bullshit, this is like straightforward things that you need to learn. Let's imagine that trading is this table right here, okay? And this table, it has, for example, okay, let's make it this way. This table has three legs, okay? With that, with these three legs, this is how the table is standing straight and horizontal, basically. If you remove one of these legs, if you remove one of these legs, the table is gonna fall. And these are the pillars of the table. The table is trading, and the pillars of the table are three pillars, three important pillars. And I'll add some, like a little point on top of here, and I'll explain to you what that point is. It does not break the balance of the table, but it's there and it's important as well. Now, the first thing is the technical analysis. This is very important, and this is what I'm offering you guys. With all these indicators, the free indicators and the paid indicators that you have here, I'm offering you the technical analysis. And this is one is the first pillar and the first axle of this table, the trading table, that without this pillar, you're not going to be able to make any progress in your trading. The second one is the trading psychology. The trading psychology is very, very, very important. It might look not important to you, but it's very important because that's something that you need to keep in mind. That psychology is probably the most important pillar out of all these three pillars, because without good psychology, without good understanding of the psychology of trading, you will not make it as a trader. You will never make it, in fact, as a trader. Now, the third pillar is the third pillar here that is also very, very, very important and that I always emphasize on is the risk management. And the risk management is might seem really easy, but at the same time, it's not. Risk management is like can be summarized in one golden rule. The golden rule in trading is the 1% rule. Risk only 1% of your entire account, but that's not how it works. It's much, much deeper than that. It's a daily actions. It's a daily basis thing that you need to keep in mind. It's something that you need to internalize inside of your mind and engrave in your mind actually with the rules, and that's something that I teach as well. Now, these two might seem like it might seem counterintuitive, and might a lot of people are actually like focusing on the trading analysis and the strategies and all that stuff. They forget about the trading psychology, and they forget about uh the trading psychology. Sorry, I have to correct that. Trading psychology is actually with P. So they forget about the trading psychology, they forget about the risk management, but it's very, very important. So trading analysis, trading psychology, and risk management. So these are like very, very, very important, guys. It's I cannot emphasize on enough on the importance of these. And I have that little dot here, and I what I call this is the fundamentals of trading, or the trading fundamentals, which are like the news, the understanding of the market, the understanding of the economics. This is also very, very important. That's something that you need. It's a cherry on the top of the cake, but it's also very, very important because it helps you actually understanding. And as I say always, knowing things is better than not knowing them, and knowing is always better than not knowing. So you might as well just know the trading fundamentals and understand the effect of the news, the effect of the economics of the countries, the effect of the economics of exports, imports, the interest rates, all those kind of things that might seem really besides the point, but they are really important. And those are something that you really need to understand as well. And with the trading analysis, trading psychology, and risk management, you kind of now have like the whole thing in the whole setup, and a complete setup without any without anything. You don't actually need anything else. You have free products here in my profile. You have paid products, you have trading analysis, you have online courses, you have everything. And I would help you on a daily basis with trading psychology and, and risk management through blogs. I write daily blogs just specifically for these two, and also for the trading strategies. So you have all the pillars that you need with. Also, I kind of share how to read the news, how to read the interest rate of the countries, how to read the most important basically news that you're gonna get on a daily basis. I explain them to you, and I share them on the Telegram channel, and also on the MQL5 channel. That's why, guys, if you want to learn this, all these things, you need to join the Telegram channel. I already showed you the link. And this is it, guys. We reached to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you learned, and I hope that everything is clear at this point. And I'll keep doing a lot of videos. I'll keep teaching you guys as much as I can, and I'm always here to help. So if you have any question, reach out to me. So this video is not scripted, it's just me talking. That's why uh, it's not like organized or anything like that, but it is what it is. I'm here to share my knowledge in a very deliberate way. I'm not here to write scripts. I'm not here to create videos. I'm just here to teach you guys what I know through these things, straightforward. No, no, I don't know. That's it, guys. All right. See you guys in another video, and stay tuned. That's it.